What's up everyone and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel. Hope that you're all doing very well. As always, hope you're crushing it because we are absolutely crushing this so hard. This is really crazy. We have planned the short here, we have planned the long, and all to the absolute dollar on the top and on the bottom. This is absolutely crazy, of course, well in advance. As always, this is just pretty crazy. So yeah, Elliott Waves is insane. We're going, of course, to plan what next. We already have done this in the last update, did not change it since. We have planned the 2 turrets here. So now, yeah, we're just going to see what we can do in there in the wave 4. Okay, so yeah, we're going to plan everything. As always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, to turn notifications, because yes, the work, I mean, the videos I'm doing here are absolutely insane. This is just pure gold, and I really hope you're enjoying these updates. You're also following the trade and everything here. Yeah, I mean, this is absolutely crazy. We have been just crushing this. It's like so hard, as I said on Twitter here. This was a short we planned with VIPs in the Sunday update. As always, I'm live every Sunday with VIPs to plan the next week, to plan different trades and everything. So this was the first trade we planned with a key level here at $21,643, and we rejected to the absolute dollar this level, this white level here. It's absolutely crazy. Next one to have done is move to the downside. That was a prediction just before to get the drop, take the high once more, and then get a move to the downside. So take the high once more of the previous high here and get the move to the downside into a long target right here planned on the YouTube channel. So before it happened, I just show you how to play the retracement tool, how to do it clearly. So it was very simple, not gonna lie. You got all the information needed in the live stream. And so from here, we got this nice rise with this long from the exact low right there, and a second long from the bottom right here. And this is how we have been also trading this from the top right here. We showed it at top. I showed it at top here. I showed also this top right here. Then I was sleeping, so I was not able to short down. But again, we have a long. I gave also a trade today in the daily exo chart update for VIPs. I gave this nice long trade here. That was this morning. We got a retest into our target right here. You can see a retest in there, and we got a very nice bounce of this. By the way, if you want to get a good platform for trading, do not hesitate to go and watch, check the link in the description. You will get all the informations clearly step by step. So you just have to click the link in the description, because yes, there are some exchange, for example Bybit, and for example laid off 30% of its employees. Binance blocked some withdrawals some weeks ago, so it's really getting unsafe. And this, for example, I mean, it's impossible to say if the platform is safe or not. But this was, for example, a platform I was using in my very beginning. Now I'm back on it, and for example, I took some trades this morning off this right here from the trades we planned. Clearly, that's pretty cool. And yeah, so did some very nice gains with this, not gonna lie. And so if you want to get some deposit bonus, because here, of course, if you use the link in the description, you're going to get a bonus. If you use, so you just have to create an account with the link in the description. You just have to verify your account in your email. You just have to click the link, do something, yeah, to click the link, click in your emails. Once you have done this, you have to go in the promo code section. You add the promo code here, you activate, and you can win up to $7,000 of deposit bonus. This is absolutely crazy, and it's all free. So I mean, yeah, this is pretty great. Just imagine you get 7,000 like this. It's pretty cool. But anyway, so yeah, this is PRIMEXBT, by the way. And yeah, let's just continue with this. So here, wave 4, again, we can still be in the wave 4. We can still do some bigger pan. It's absolutely possible. I'm just going to remove this trade right here, if I can, perfect. So we can talk a bit. I'm going to cover the more likely scenario first of all. Okay, so the wave 4 in that case is in. We got a bounce to the absolute dollar from the target plan way in advance when it was already on the top here. We already planned to look for the 23.6 for a trade. The only thing I have to do is just to hire your retracement tool on the top we have done, and boom, this gives you the exact bottom we have done. That's absolutely crazy. So much gain made on this, but anyway. And so from here, in that case, we just have to do one simple thing, that is to add the wave 5 target. So to do this, again, you have everything on the website for free. You can just go and check this out. I also did, by the way, a course today, because some members was struggling a bit with the open interest. So I just did a course. You can see here 10 minutes, a bit more video on the open interest. This is very key. If you're reading an order flow, this is absolutely key to read the open interest here. Okay, so I'm really explaining you what is the open interest, why this is a must clearly to read at this data. Okay, what this the open interest means, everything you have to know, and all in 10 minutes. Pretty crazy, right? And so yeah, of course, you have some free course on the website. You can go in the course section right here. You have the beginner course and Elliott Wave free course here. So to really get some strong base, you can really get some strong base here with the beginner course and the Elliott Wave free course. If you really want to learn Elliott Wave, you will get all the information you need clearly here, even for free. You're going to get all the strong base and even more than this, even for free on the website. So really do not need to go and check this out. But anyway, so here, for example, how to place the wave 5 targets. What are the wave 5 targets? Everything is free on the website for this, okay? And yeah, for the extension to a retracement, for example, all the targets, everything. So anyway, so place it from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 4 bottom. Once you have done this, I'm just going to place a bit better because I think it's not placed to the dollar. So I'm just going to lock this, boom, 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 move this on the right. Perfect. Gonna add this into this, perfect. And so now we have some better view of this. So first target, of course, was the 618, okay? 618 here. Then we had the 1-to-1 extension. But again, what target, I mean, these two targets bring us with a truncated wave 5, so to speak, that start before the wave 3 top, so it's less likely. That's why we plan first of all the 1618, and then if we have to push hard on this, the 261 point. The 261 point is still the more likely. Why? Because to do a swing third pan is not the most common to do, okay, in a wave, but just read the order flow there. If you want to get also some course on the order flow, for example, this morning on Twitter here, as I was showing to you before, right here, this was the daily Exo chart update. I'm really teaching you the order flow, I'm letting you know everything clearly. So that was a 1 hour update live stream clearly, and this is how you play it. What I've done since this morning, we have done this insane rise. You will get every information on the order flow clearly in there. But I mean, yeah, we have done since then this insane rise. I mean, we already bought the bottom here, we bought the bottom here, we bought again the bottom here. I mean, we bought this bottom, and this bottom right here. We bought the 3 bottoms here, and we're just in insane profit right now. This is absolutely crazy. So yeah, all by reading the order flow and some data on the market. I mean, on the order flow clearly. So it's simple as that, just by reading this, and of course with the context of the wave, we're able to make decisions and to say if we have or not to take a trade. That's pretty crazy. But yeah, so here, if we have to go higher, 1618 first of all, so blue level right here. If we have to push high, again, keep in mind the 1618, it never, in very rare case, well to jet, but it's most of the time never perfectly to the absolute dollar. So to do this, for example, go a bit above and then retrace, it's absolutely possible. Now, if we just get acceptance really above this, because there is nothing bearish on the order flow, okay, right here, what we can look for here is simply for another push to the upside into the 261 point, and this is exactly the same for the 261 point. It is never well to the dollar. It can be, but it's most of the time not the case. So we can absolutely spend some time with her and then retrace. That's why you have to find a smaller wave, you have to do the wave count, a smaller wave, and you just have them to read the order flow into the targets. This is the only thing you have to do. You just have to read the order flow here in these 2 targets. That's all. Now the thing is, that's the more likely plan, okay? But if we have to do something else, and it's possible to do something else, why? Because we can do, for example, a bigger wave 4 and come back clearly into the target right here for a long trade, okay? So in that case, what are these plans? We have more likely here an ABC zigzag with an extension to the downside. So if we have a correction here, if here we have an impulsive start, it can be as always a 5-ways correction 5. If you don't understand what I mean, you have everything, also the ABC plans for free on the website. You have to go there, boom, boom, boom. In the course section, you go in the Elliott Wave free course right here, and you will get, the stock. You have the basic Elliott Wave rules, the Fibonacci variation, so how to play extension to retracement toolbars, the fibs you have to use, everything, and the ABC flat and the ABC zigzag. So if you want to get some more details, you need to create an account for free on it, and you will get all the information. But here, for example, we can do an ABC flat. Okay, we can do an A. I'm going to remove some few stuff from the. You know what? I'm just going to remove this 1-to-1 extension first. And the 618, I'm going to remove the long trade so it's much cleaner to see. Perfect. Gonna hide this for now. Perfect. Yeah, perfect now. And then I'm gonna remove this. Good. So it's much better now. So here, for example, we can do, as we have an ABC exact here with an extension to the downside, we can do what? An ABC flat. Okay, so 5-ways correction, 5-ways. Again, here is an extension. So in that case, A, B, C flat. As always, a flat retrace 90% for a regular flat, or for a running flat and an extended flat 123. Again, it can retrace 105, 113, that is the stock market retracement, for example, but we'll have more chance to go to the 123. So here, for example, the only thing you have to do is just to add your B wave target. So here, you pull the flat fib like this, 90%, 105 for a small swing third pan, 113 for a swing through pan fail auction, or boom, 123, 127, that is a more likely target. So 90% running regular flat. If we break the price high, so to speak, the A wave route, we're going to look for an extended or a running flat, sorry, here. Still, if we're in this configuration, so don't be surprised to maybe get another 5-ways down next. It's maybe just for this wave 4 still, because we're in this configuration. Now, of course, the main idea, as I said, is to be done with the wave 4 bottom and to look directly for the wave 5 target. But please, in addition to this, just look at this, because this, as traders, this is what we have to be aware of, okay, clearly. Now, the thing is, if we retrace 90%, it's not because we have a correction to the upside. In that case, we're going to look for an ABC zigzag here, okay, 5-ways, correction 5-ways is what we have planned with VIPs, by the way. Right there. Boom, 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 boom. Let me show you this really quickly. Perfect. So this is what we have planned with VAPs. Just gonna take a screenshot of this. Good. All right, so yeah, this is what we have planned, for example, yesterday. So again, it was not the only possibility. Okay, we have planned some different stuff because wait, the low time frame is something absolutely, we have to plan different stuff. This is a game. As a trader, we cannot be aware of only one scenario. We have to be aware of more than this. But here, for example, we was looking for a possible A, B, C flat. So again, all the flat target, regular flat, swing through the pan was very bad swing through the pan, by the way. We're at 13, the stock market retracement. I can still play down the crypto market. Or the 123, 127, that is the more likely. Now, what we have done, we're at 13, stock market retracement. It's fine, you know, we just accept it. Clears, I'm always sleeping, so you're not feeling that sure. But anyway, target 618, 1-to-1 extension, 123, 161, invalidation with 200% here. 618, we recognize with that we had to take a long here. Okay, recognize in the daily update that we had to take a long here. We took that long, and now that brings us with this very, very, very nice push to the upside. Okay, with this nice ABC flat right there. So yeah, pretty cool, not gonna lie. And so yeah, bring us where we're at the moment. Again, if we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive, it can be also an A, B, C zigzag. And so we have to plan this ABC flat. Okay, if you really don't get what I mean with ABC flat, ABC zigzag, just go and watch this on the website, because otherwise if I explain this now, it's gonna be just too long already, 11 minutes. So yeah, it's free on the website. Really do not hesitate to go and check this out, just in the Elliott Wave free section, free course. So yeah, this is a possibility. And again, if we have a correction and a correction here to the upside, why would you not be in a WXY also? This is absolutely also something possible. W, X retracement. Again, the X wave cannot break the W root. So if the X wave breaks the previous top right here, we look for an ABC flat. Or if there is nothing bearish on the order flow, we look for the wave 5 directly. Okay, that's why here the order flow, we are going to make decisions on if we have or not to take some trade based off the reaction on the target planned. So here, for example, the X wave breaks the W root, we can remove it. For example, if we manage to go higher, going the 123 here, we start to get something very, very bearish. In that case, on the order flow, if we get something bearish, this is a short to take and to maybe play with this ABC flat. Okay, and if we get nothing bearish of this, we just wait for the next target to be hit. This is simple as that. If you want to get some more details again on how to read an order flow, you can simply go on the mooncharts.fr website. You will get all the information you need clearly about exo charts, everything. So really do not hesitate to go and check this out. So yeah, that's all for me for today. So I wish you all a very good weekend. Don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel to turn on notifications. Really, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like and to subscribe to the channel. This is very, very, very important. Just a big, big, big reward of my work. So if you do it, thank you so much. And on this, I just wish you a very good weekend. Take care of you. Rest well. If you're a bit tired from this week, that it was very, very insane. I got a bit boring at the very beginning, but next it was absolutely crazy. We have been just planning, predicting, and trading this. And yeah, this is just insane. So anyway, I wish you a brilliant day. Take care of you, and yeah, see you all in the next one. Cheers.